everyone, I want to show you how to use Discord bot maker mods. So first of all, I can show you this is a complete clean project without any mods installed currently. You can use your existing project and install mods on them, that shouldn't be a problem, but I only want to show you how to use it with a very clean project. So first of all, I suggest you all to be in Discord bot maker Discord and don't ask for mods here or about questions with mods. Please ask in the Discord bot maker mod Discord. So I suggest you to go to updates and download the latest version. You only have to click on the link and it should open the Discord bot maker GitHub page, and you see it currently downloading. Now it's already finished. You can open it with 7-zip or WinRAR or whatever, and you see your folder. You simply open it, and yeah. Now you go to Discord bot maker and click on Open Actions directory. Simply open the Actions folder, grab everything with STG or Control. Well, that was German. Control and A, and paste it here somewhere. And yeah, you have to click on Overwrite existing files. So overwrite the files. It will merge some files into another category because the messaging category was too big and too full. So yeah, if you restart DBM now, you will see that you will have installed every mod here. I suggest you to install all mods directly because it's easier, and yeah, create a new command and create a new action, and you see mod information. Yeah, you installed them. Yeah, 184. Yeah, you now have some new commands like in the embed message section. That's a new section. Set embed footer or whatever the most users want to store some stuff from the internet, so you can use store.js from web API. Tutorial for that or help is in the support channel of DBM. So if you start your bot now, I just inserted some commands, some data from a web HPA command. If you check your bot log, click on Open Bot Log, and you will see bot has started, but it does not started yet, so you will have to wait until the bot is ready. I will drag and drop that here. Okay, just started, so I will go to my test server and go here and type test. So it only takes a bit. So you see in the log that it started. Some members have problems with missing node models, so if you have that, simply go to your project folder, open DBM, go to your project folder, open project directory, and go here, type cmd, and now you will have to type npm e. So this will install all node modules which are located or which are required in this file. If it says no npm is not a real command, simply download npm from the internet. And if you have the error still like request or valid URL is not found, please write. I will stop that now. It might take a bit. Type npm. Wait, I will start again. cd. Type npm I for install request save. This will install it really. In this case, the request stuff is already installed here. Maybe because I'm not sure. It should install automatically, but if that does not happen, please do that. I will stop that now. Yeah, you see error because I just stopped it. This is all. If there's a new version of the Discord bot maker mods, you will also always see it here. There's a beta version. If you type !beta like this, you will get the DBM beta version role, and you can download everything from this page here. Well, okay, that's all. Please ask for support here and not in this channel here, because this is our Discord bot maker, real Discord bot maker stuff. If you have any problems, please do not DM me. Please ask in this channel, because I don't have time to help you all. Yeah, that is all. Thank you for watching my bad English or hearing my bad English. Yeah. Bye.